Go on, Tom. How about this? Do you want to keep it upright and I pull?
Yeah.
All right. All right, I'm going to give you one good shot of me pulling this thing. I'm putting the camera down. This is a two-hand job.
No, this looks easier than it actually is.
Should have done this in the wintertime, huh? Ah. Oh, my legs are jelly. Ah.
Yeah, I'll sit down.
Well, we need an anvil stand.
Log?
A log. Need a big thick tree to use as an anvil stand, but I don't want to cut down a live one. That one's pretty thick. Look like that, and then it free spools.
Ah.
Oh.
I can grab the log churner if you need.
Hold on.
Off the side.
That's looking good. That's looking good. That might be a little tall, but I think it's okay for right now. I'll tell you what, this turned out really nice. Well, that is all the time I have for this trip, but I'm gonna be back. There she is. Got her all fixed up. Hey, look who's here. My sister and her family are going to be joining me today. Hey, Curtis, how you doing? Hey, Melissa. So I have a lovely toolbox you can sit on.
Sorry. Do you want the seat or do you want the ground?
Here. Let me get the automatic door locks for you.
Thank you.
That's my car.
Perfect. Aww.
Alrighty. Get this thing all nice and charged up for tomorrow. Time they don't work well cold.
Oh, that's
You don't belong up here.
I'm gonna kiss you with my mouth in a sec.
Yeah, Mario Kart! Yeah! Ah, that was some good times, but it is late. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning. Ooh, it's a beautiful day. We got about half an inch of rain yesterday, and you can see the shelter did its job.